Hi friends, welcome to the accountancy class. Today we are going to learn about the important conventions used in financial accounting. Generally accepted accounting principles refers to the rules or guidelines adopted for recording and reporting of business transactions in order to bring uniformity in the preparation and presentation of financial statements. These principles are also known as conventions. The term conventions means customs or traditions as a guide to preparation of accounting statements. The same rules or guidelines have been described by one author as a concept, by another as a postulate, and still by another as conventions. The important conventions used in accounting are materiality concept, conservatism concept or prudence concept, consistency concept, and full disclosure concept. Now we are going to learn about the term full disclosure concept. The convention of full disclosure requires that all material and relevant facts concerning financial statement should be fully disclosed. Full disclosure means there should be full, fair, and adequate disclosure of accounting information. Information provided by financial statements are used by different groups of people such as investors, lenders, suppliers, and others in taking various financial decisions. In the corporate form of organization, there is a distinction between those managing the affairs of enterprise and those owning it. Financial statements are the only or basic means of communicating financial information to all interested parties. This principle requires that all material and relevant facts concerning financial performance of an enterprise must be fully and completely disclosed in the financial statements and their accompanying footnotes. This is to enable the users to make correct assessment about the profitability and the financial soundness of the enterprise and helps them to take informed decisions. Next important convention used in financial accounting is consistency concept. The accounting information provided by the financial statement would be useful in drawing conclusions regarding the working of an enterprise only when it allows comparison over a period of time as well as with the working of other enterprise. Thus, both inter-firm and intra-firm comparisons are required to be made. This can be possible only when accounting policies and practices followed by the enterprise are uniform and are consistent over the period of time. This principle states that same accounting principles should be used for preparing financial statements year after year. For example, if a stock is valued at cost or market price whichever is less, this principle should be followed year after year. Next important convention used in financial accounting is materiality concept. This convention states that to make a financial statement meaningful, only material fact that is important and relevant information should be supplied to the users of accounting information. This concept requires that accounting should be focused on material facts. Effort should not be wasted in recording and presenting facts which are immaterial in the determination of income. The materiality of fact depends upon its nature and the amount involved. Any fact would be considered as material if it is reasonably believed that its knowledge would influence the decision of informed user of financial statement. For example, money spent on creation of additional capacity of a theater would be a material fact as it is going to increase the future earning capacity of the enterprise. Similarly, information about any change in the method of depreciation adopted or any liability which is likely to be arise in the near future would be significant information. All such information about material facts should be disclosed through the financial statements and accompanying notes so that users can take informed decisions. Thank you.